What's up guys, Greg here with Greg's Interesting Things, and today I'm going to be browsing around on the Hidden Wiki on Android here guys, so hopefully you enjoy this video. I'm going to try not to click on anything that's too bad. If I do, I'll probably cut it out. But let's see, we've got here some decent search engines, and I believe I've checked out this parasite before. Let's check it out again though. Yeah, we see it's a little different there. Let's see, what does it say? Links are eatrandom.onion, 4.5k random, onions, pick one, riverboat gambler. And let's see, if you end up in a slammer or worse, or just plain nothing, don't dare, then pen site number sec101, OP, security education, government related free public service. So that's kind of off to a weird start. Better opt safe than talking, full judicial responsibility. Okay, the gambler is the same for every gateway prospector. You strap yourself into an alien starship whose destination was programmed 500,000 years ago by a race called the Hichi. You may return with a mother load of technology. Okay, maybe that's like a game or something. REST, Guide to IP2 Service version 1. Tour guide, yeah, blah blah blah. Let's see, link categories. Suicide and enthusiasm, that's kind of weird. So let's see, hacking, freaking, anarchy, veery, cracking. We don't know what's gonna be behind any of these links. Liberty and privacy, free speech advocacy, Electronic Frontier Foundation, Frontier Finland. Let's see. Information on legal restrictions on speech. Whoa, I'm not gonna be able to read that. Links and law, information about legal aspects of search engines, hyperlinks, surface and deep links, inline links and frames, including case law summary, link to relevant court rulings. Wow, that sounds kind of interesting. Censorship organizations, cryptograph software, cryptography information. I'm assuming that's if you want to make your own software. Example of forensic software used by the authorities, yeah. Imagining it shows you how to do those kind of softwares all on your own. Random numbers. I'm not sure what that's about. Hardware number generator? Oh, okay. So it's probably to be able to install Windows without a product key or something like that. Got some bootable live DVDs, public proxies. So yeah, that's kind of interesting. So yeah, that's the parasite. Let's see what else we've got here. Onion Wiki, Tor Wiki, Hidden Wiki, Tor Project Anonymity Online, Clone of the Clean Wiki, Marketplace Financial, Tor Broker Trade, Securities Anonymously with Bitcoin, huh? Automated PayPal and credit card store, See, there's some pretty interesting ones on here. Let's check out the more disturbing stuff here. Marketplace commercial services, Tor Market Board, anonymous marketplace forums, Project Evil, discount electronic goods. In case you're wondering, their discounts are they're decent. I checked them out, but I wouldn't trust buying anything on the deep web. UK Guns and Ammo, used Tor guns, Amazon Business, Tor Technology, Hidden Bitcoin, Apples for Bitcoin, that's like an Apple store on the deep web, Hackintosh, Hitman Network. A lot of people talk about the Hitman Network on their videos. We'll scope it out and see if it's up yet. I know last time I checked it wasn't up anymore. Yeah. Let's see, it's not up. Okay, so then services, we got mobile store, MSR shop, old man fixing services. Not sure what that is, haven't actually checked that out. PC shop, Samsung store, sheep marketplace, Tor Bitcoin, UK passports, US fake ID store. Oh, wrong one. Let's check out the fake ID. If I remember correctly, it's only certain states they do the fake IDs for, though. So we'll find out in a minute. Sorry for the slow connection. We're having a kind of a storm over here at the moment. Okay, we'll check out something else. If it loads up while we're still looking through, that's cool, but if not, we'll check out something else. So let's see. I like Help Guy, Network Consulting and Software Development, Quick Solution, Hitman. Let's see if, oh look, there we go. So here we go, we got the fake ID store, driver's license. Shipped from the US within 48 hours. We only sell the best quality. You won't find any better on the net. We see they're able to do all this stuff to it too. They're all scannable, contain original hologram and UV, microprint, laser engraving, etc. So yeah, it sounds pretty legit, guys. 0.467 bitcoins, $200 in other words. So yeah, that's kind of crazy. So that's the fake ID store, or fake driver's license store. And then here we got the drugs. Oh, let's see if this other Hitman's up and running. Let's check that out real quick. We'll browse through the drugs though. Medical grade cannabis buds, Rick Simpson. No, on the Hitman. People Drug Store, the dark web's best online drug supplier. Let's see, and I don't condone any of this stuff. I wouldn't suggest ever buying anything on the deep web, let alone something illegal. But for the sake of the video, let's check it out. Let's see, Smoke Fable's finest organic cannabis shipped from the US. Cannabis UK, wholesale cannabis supplier. Let's see, oh, here we go. The People's Drug Store. Pride ourselves on everything, on offering the best quality at competitive prices and making every effort to go above and beyond when it comes to customer satisfaction. Wow. Choose a category by clicking any of the following: heroin, cocaine, ecstasy, speed, cannabis, prescriptions, bitcoins, and services. Let's go with something a little more mellow. We don't want to be showing people where to buy heroin or how much heroin goes for. Alright, so let's see. Cannabis. Want to make some free Bitcoin. Tell others about the shop. Okay, yeah, we're not going to worry about that, guys. Now offering top quality hash oil at amazingly unbeatable prices. We'll be offering high-grade marijuana in near future, but bulk orders are available now. Contact if interested. Alright. So we got the hash oils down there. Yeah, so there's the People's Drug Store. Let's go back. Alright. So down here we've got the hosting. We've got image uploaders, paste this, Tor-based paste bin, Gitor, free hosting, Liberty Hackers hosting service, Matrix Trilogy. I'm not sure what that is. And then you got your blogs here. Let's see. Hushbox, Dark Like My Soul. Imagine the scary stuff you're reading there, yeah. Sure, creepypastas don't come close to what you might read in there. Blog about stories. Let's see. Forums and chans. Got the Onion Forum 2.0 renewed. Oni-chan. Just Go, Twitter clone, HackBB hacking and cracking forum. Alright, and then you got your email and messagings down here. Political. Fairy Underground. Okay, I'm not sure what that is. I think I've heard the term fairy before. I don't remember what that means. The Intel Exchange Forum. 87B blog, anonymous, safe, secure, crowdfunded assassinations. Okay, well, let's see. Hacking. Wares. The Pirate Bay. If I'm correct, the Pirate Bay still runs great. We'll check it out real quick. We'll keep looking though. Let's see, Docsbin. I'm sure a lot of people may know about Docsbin. If you don't, it's time to climb out from under that rock. Let's see, oh, we've got erotics here. Girl released some nice model pics. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and try not to click on any of this stuff here. Onion Girl Love Board. Okay, boy vids, okay. And we see there's the Pedo Empire there. Yeah, that's kinda weird. That's weird. Erotic jailbait, yeah, we're gonna skip over that too. Non-English. We can only guess what some of these might be. So yeah, guys. It's just a brief little cruise around on the Hidden Wiki. See, a lot of people have trouble finding it, but just get on your Tor browser and just type thehiddenwiki.org and you'll get here. So remember, be safe on the deep web, guys. And also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That way you don't miss future videos, because I plan on doing some more deep web videos soon.